Hi, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today in front of me Galaxy S23, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just to create the same home screen folder with the just applications, we should first hold for a while the app and drag this app to another one, and now we can see the new created home screen folder. That's the simplest way how we can do that. Just to add here more applications, we should just hold and drag the app to the folder. Also, you can add here more applications by another way. Just open first the folder, then click here to this plus icon, and after that just select the applications which you want to add to your folder. For example, let's add the 5 from 37 available applications. Then just tap to done, and as you can see, we just successfully add them. If you want to give the name to the folder or just rename it, just tap here to the folder name and enter the new one. Tap to done to save the changes, and as you can see, we just renamed it successfully. Just to move the folder on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. To remove application from here, you should hold the app and drag to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the home screen and from the folder, just hold the app and tap to remove. But don't worry, you will stay with this application in the apps menu. Also, you can just remove a couple of apps in one click. Just hold for a while, tap to select, and select, for example, these two applications which you want to remove. Just select them and tap here to remove, not to disable, just to remove, and now we'll find them here on the in the apps menu. So also we can create a new folder from this folder. Just select, for example, these two apps and click to create folder, so we can see the new created folder from this one. And you can just remove all of the apps in one click from the folder. Just hold for the folder and tap to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.